Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change item filters in Path of Exile to item filters can change the look of items, the description, color, sounds of dropped items and more. You can download them from the official Path of Exile webpage, and to set them, go to options, then go to game tab here and find item filter. Then if you don't have any here, click here to open file folder, and now you'll be able to, in this window, select your item filters. And when you do that, from then you'll be able to select your item filter here. When you change that, remember to hit on save, then close. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.